Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I'll show you the ports and buttons of the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker. So let's go through them one by one. The first button here is, of course, the power button. The power button. With this button, we turn the speaker on and off. Next, we have the button with the Bluetooth logo. This is the button for pairing our device with another, such as a phone or computer, so that we can play music via Bluetooth. Next is the AuraCast button. This is a feature that allows us to connect multiple different speakers together and play the same song from all of them at once. It's kind of like a family, like creating a family of speakers. It is actually a specific feature that JBL has already offered for a while, but previously it was only available with their own proprietary devices. However, AuraCast is a different tool from another company that has just started to make its way into the speakers here. And it's available on JBL speakers as well as on other speakers. And of course, any speaker that has the AuraCast feature can connect to another speaker that also has this feature. So for example, we can connect this JBL speaker with any other speaker that has these features. All we need to do is, for instance, connect this speaker as the main speaker to the phone. Next, we press this button, and on the other powered on speaker, we also press this button so that they pair with each other and play the same song. Below, we find the button, of course, for lowering the volume of the song, or the overall volume of a movie, or anything else we happen to be playing. Next, there is a button for pausing and resuming. You can also use this button to skip tracks or to go back. To go back to the previous track, press 3 times, and to skip forward, press twice. We also have a button here for increasing the device's volume. Now, when we slowly turn our portable speaker all the way around to the very back, right here we will find a convenient built-in USB Type-C charging port. This port is used to charge our speaker. On the front of the speaker, you'll find the JBL logo, and on the bottom, there's a rubber base to prevent the speaker from getting scratched and, of course, to keep it from slipping off surfaces. And under this base, which you can see here, there's a cover with screws that you can unscrew to replace the battery in this speaker. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now. Bye.